10 Best Places to Visit in Denmark. Denmark, the country where Scandinavia begins, has a rich history and stunning landscapes. Once known for its fierce Vikings, it's now a peaceful, modern country with innovative architecture and medieval buildings. Let's explore the 10 best places to visit in Denmark. Ribe, Denmark's oldest town, is a must-visit. Its half-timbered medieval buildings and Ribe Cathedral showcase its rich history. Gilleleje, a picturesque fishing town on the Danish Riviera, offers stunning views and a chance to learn about its heroic past. Elsinore, home to Kronborg Castle, the setting of Shakespeare's Hamlet, is a bustling port city with a rich cultural heritage. Aalborg, an ancient Danish city, is known for its vibrant cultural scene, half-timbered mansions, and historical landmarks. Roskilde, one of Denmark's early capitals, is famous for its 12th century cathedral and Viking ship museum. Skagen, Denmark's northernmost city, attracts visitors with its scenic seascapes, sandy beaches, and herring fishing. Bornholm, an island in the Baltic Sea, is known for its arts and crafts, medieval churches, and outstanding natural beauty. Odense, the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, offers a glimpse into the life of the famous storyteller and showcases its rich history. Aarhus, the second-largest city in Denmark, is a vibrant city with a rich architectural heritage and a thriving music scene. Finally, Copenhagen, the capital city, is a must-visit. Explore Tivoli Gardens and see the iconic Little Mermaid statue. Denmark has so much to offer, from its Viking heritage to its stunning landscapes and rich cultural history. Plan your visit today!